Nino. You can do it, you can do it. Huh?
Support, they believe that he can win ultimately.
You can do it, Pacquiao.
Changes, we got closer.
Yeah, no, you're right. So Pacquiao showing some grits, and showing some good shots, but again, the hard shots.
Yun! Oh, yeah! Sunod-sunodin mo na, Pacquiao, para ano na, di ba? Basta't naka-ano siya, nakasuntok siya. Sana tuloy-tuloy niyang gawin, ano? Pwede ba yun?
Pwede, honey, pwede.
Hindi kasi, para hindi magkaroon ng chance makasuntok isa, di ba?
Enough of a threat coming back that this is how you have to break Pacquiao down.
I think that there's enough of a threat from Manny Pacquiao.
Ang hirap, nahirapan siya, oh. Hindi niya maabot.
Has Barrios, thank you. He's not, again, he does not want to make a mistake. So
Nahirapan si ano.
this is the 5th round. There's gonna come a point when we know Bob Santos.
Alonso lumapit siya.
Okay, it's time to step it up.
Ay, sorry.
The bigger guy and the younger guy pushing back.
That's a nice left there from Manny Pacquiao. Partially parried by Mario Barrios, but you can see why he is leery of throwing that right hand until he has an opportunity. And he did say, I'm going to take him to deep waters. I want to see how much he has left. How those legs are cramping or not cramping past 6, 8, 10 rounds. I know I'm young. I know I'm 30 years old. I'm in my prime. He is not.
Ang dami niyang ano, ang dami niyang... Manny, come on, Manny. Come on, Manny, you can do it. Ba't ang dami ng ano, oh? Ang dami ng punch ni ano, ni...
Jab his way to victory tonight. If he wants to. I don't think that's the way it's going to play out.
Naku,
But he could.
sinuntok na naman siya. Nakita mo? Sinuntok na naman siya sa ano.
Keep jabbing. And every jab, there it is. And lands every time.
Ah, jabs. Oh. Landed 23 na ni Barrios.